Hey, Kentucky Lightning here with tip number 2 on how to stay cool in the summer. Well, first off, you gotta find a body of water. Even if it ain't yours, even if it's from a hose, even if you just dip your head in some kind of sink. You want to find a pool, water source, stream, ocean, pond, sewage. So, one thing you do if you got hair on your neck, like I do, you gotta circulate the air under there so it don't get any kind of bacteria stuck up in there, because then you just have fungus neck. Stick your head in a fish aquarium. Fish are stingy. They don't need all that, especially if you got a 30 gallon. Even the circular motion right here is gonna give you more air and get the blood circulating. Cellular membranes that are gonna eventually just release off a cool thing so that you can stay calm, cool, collected, so that if a woman comes up and asks for your number, you are ready, clear-minded, and ready to give it. You know you got a hamster or gerbil. Just get in there, you got that whole squeeze bottle, it's about a quart. Take that little water bottle, stick it up your mouth like that, and just... I mean, it's kind of like doing a miniature cake stand. If you really think about it, but you're upright, and it's just smaller. I don't have water, but I know who does. My neighbor. Don't worry about it. My neighbor ain't home. He's a shift manager at Bojangles. Done. So this is my neighbor Dale's sprinkler. First thing that you want to do is turn it on. Dang it. Hey, 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 hey. Typical Dale, it's broken. I'm gonna take a hose and jimmy rig it, and then after that, I'm gonna duct tape the handle down, do that, and just run after that, like that. So your sprinkler's broken? We don't give up. This is America. We just keep going. So you need to find yourself a pool. Don't mean that it need to be yours. And you're also gonna need something for safety and a little companionship. You're in a neighbor's pool. You ain't supposed to be in here. You gotta get in and you gotta get out. Because the neighbor's gonna come home pretty soon. And there's nothing wrong. I don't like getting out of the pool with shriveled nipples. Oh. You mind if I call you Julie? No, don't go getting all limp on me. You're still sexy.
Woman, you know you're woman. You gotta be a woman. I got the feeling alone.
Same motion. Like that, if you want to do a cake stand, just take that little plunge and you just dip it down and just let it fall into your cheek and then take it back like that. Same thing. It's not... That's on my neck.
I'm sorry. Oh, fuck.
Oh, my lips hurt. They're numb.